Yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I know my hair has definitely grown since the last time I seen you ladies, and it's doing great. You know, first I was getting a little discouraged, but I see that it's hanging in there. I did have to do a cut. I cut the front of my hair, so it's like, you see, but you know what? It needed it. It needed it. It was like really dead hair. But overall, I'm really excited, and I'm glad. I think this routine is definitely one for me that I'm going to stick to. So I'm going to list all the products that I used today below. So if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Oh, and this look, if you're liking this look, I will be posting a video of this same look. So stay tuned for that. Bye, ladies.